Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I just finished flying, and what I want to do is demonstrate how to remove the prop guards. Now a lot of people are like, hey man, you've been flying drones forever, why do you use prop guards? Well, the reason I do is not that I need them. The only time I really need them is when I'm landing on a hard surface that's rocking like a boat, because typically a drone will topple over and you can damage or break a prop. That's the only time I really need them, but a lot of the other times I fly with them just because it non-verbally suggests safety, drone safety, and that's an area where drone hobbyists are plagued internationally, is drone safety. There's a lot of irresponsible drone pilots out there, and they're creating a fiasco for all the responsible drone hobbyists. So with that being said, I'm going to take them off because I finished flying. The disadvantage obviously to prop guards is that they add to the size and to the weight. I mean, they're very lightweight, but it's just another thing you've got to deal with when you're traveling. And that's what makes the Mavic Air so great is you know, the small travel size and the small travel weight. But obviously these add to that. So the first thing I'll do is take this one off, and then I'll do the same with the other. There's just little clips on there. You know, gently pop them off. Don't force anything, just gently pop off. And once those clips are open, gently lift these off. Now what I'm going to do is put the Mavic Air on a clean and I'm going to put it back on the landing pad. On a clean surface, clean and dry surface. And then the final step for the prop guards, see these slide out. Thought that was a nice touch. I mean, these things, they're super lightweight. They came with my Mavic Air Fly More bundle. And again, no, I don't need them, but I think we all need them from a drone hobbyist perspective. You know, anytime you can be seen with something that says, hey, I'm safe and I'm responsible. I wish these were a bright color so they would stand out more, to be honest. Because if we're not careful at an international level, this hobby will eventually cease to exist, unfortunately. So, you know, do all that you can be. Be a drone evangelist. Tell people to check out droneevangelist.com. Spread the message with others. Safe and responsible drone use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IrixGuy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.